Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome you to our December new products video. First new product, this is antenna base and cable kit. This is from Carpenter Industries. This fits the 92 to 96 OBS Bronco and the 92 to 97 OBS Ford pickup. What's nice about this, if you don't want the stock mast, you can buy this. It gets a stock factory mounting unit. Cable goes right to your radio. Gives you all the gaskets and grommets and screws you need. So you can get one of those fancy, get one of the bullet ones or one of the ornamental antenna masks and put it on there. Brand new for the 92 to 96 Bronco, 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. And our next new product is wiper wiring harness. This one here is a 73 to 77 stock. In 73, Ford included a dome light lens in the wiper cover, so this is the one that fits this. But if you have a 66 to 72, you can also use this. It all fits, you just fish it down through the windshield frame. It's got the retaining clips where you put it in here. It's all factory, plugs right into the factory harness, plugs right into the factory wiper motor. This will work for 66 to 77, but if you don't have a dome light lens, we also have the one without the pigtail for that. Brand new for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. And our next new product is inside door handle seal. This is for the 1980 to 86 Ford Bronco and 1980 to 86 F-Series pickup. Sold in pairs. These are in your door panel. Your door handle sticks out, so if that's missing, you plug this in, a couple little things here, you pop it right in place. And you open it up, your door handle's right there. They're labeled. This is the passenger side, and this is the driver's side I've got here. These are nice plastic products, really soft, gray, paintable, fit the 80 to 86 Bronco, 80 to 86 F-Series pickup, sold in a pair, inside door handle seals. And our next new products from Mile Marker are these black op hubs. These are half-ton hubs, so these fit the 66 to 96 Ford Bronco and the 66 to 96 F-150 four-wheel drive trucks. Sold in pairs, give you everything you need to put them in. If you already have Mile Marker and you have the nice stainless steel ones, you don't like that anymore, go for this is the end look, the black. 6 screws, take them off, pop it in. Keep the extra parts in your toolbox. You're on the trail, need them, put them in place. Brand new from Mile Marker, these black op hubs, sold in pairs for the 66 to 96 Bronco and 66 to 96 F-150 four-wheel drive. And for our December web truck of the month, we have Roy from Wisconsin. We met him there when we went to the Super Celebration in July. What's nice about this, he bought a 78 Bronco, drove it till it rusted out, and he found a 65 F-100 pickup and made them together. Did an incredible job. It's a unique looking truck, really beautiful. Just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope to see you again next year.
Well, I bought it in 1980. It was 78 Bronco, and drove it long time, and then decided it needed a big block, so put a big block 460 in it. And the winter salt got after it, and it rusted away so bad after a while, and we decided to put a different body on it, and figured we'd do something different with a 65 F-100 body. So I did that all myself. A lot of work, a lot of fabrication in there. A lot of stuff is stock 78 Bronco stuff. Okay. Back in the day, that was really easy to find. Travel around the country and figure if we broke something, a 78 Bronco would be the easiest thing to find parts for.
Right.
Back in the day. It's a 435, 205,
okay.
With 300,000 miles on it, I might add.
Nice.
Still haven't really had the transmission apart. Transfer case, a little bit of work I've done to it over the years, but yeah, I've gone through a couple of Ford 9-inches, probably more than I want to admit.
Right.
But it works if you take care of it.
Okay.
Got chrome moly axles and stuff in it, and CTM new joints in the front.
Okay.
So drive it nice, it holds together. Oh, we used to drive it everywhere we went and wheel it pretty hard. But now the last, 10 years, been babying it a little bit more. We got a big truck that we use. Have a lot more fun with that one. We don't have to worry about the body on that one. So I got a 78 F-150 with 1-ton axles and doubler transfer case and everything, 42-inch tires. That's the one I have the real fun with nowadays. So this one just kind of gets babied more.